I almost forgot that while this is still wet, I need to cut out these arcs for these corner fans. So I'm going to actually number these fans, and I'm just counting this as number 1, and then I've penciled around that, and with this 5/16 chisel I want to just do the cutout for that fan. I'm not sure I've got enough of it broken. Yep, looks like it's coming off. Okay. All right. So the number 1 fan, I may put this in while this is still wet. I want to cut out the others first, but this will just glue right in there. All right, so let me get the rest of these cut out and then I'll glue them up.